Good morning, teachers, parents, and all my friends. My name is Aisha Shifa. I am 6 years old from class UZQ. Today I would like to tell you a story about a lion and a mouse. Once upon a time, there lived a lion and a mouse. One day the lion was sleeping. The mouse started playing on it. The lion woke up. He caught up. The mouse was going to kill. The mouse requested for forgiveness. The lion let him go. After some days, the lion caught in a net. The mouse cut the net with his teeth. The lion was free. He thanked the mouse. The moral value is do good, have good. Assalamu alaikum.